calculate our velocity throughout the race, what we need to do is work out our velocity for each 100 metre section. To do this, we do need to recall the equation for velocity, which is so displacement divided by time. So our displacement between each of the timing points is 100 metres, and that remains constant throughout the race. So to actually work out velocity using the formula, we click in the formula bar, and we want to put an equals sign in there. So displacement, so we're going to click on cell B3, and we want to divide it by the time. Now it's important here that you don't divide it by a cumulative time, but by the time that it's taken for you to cover this particular distance. Okay, so there we go, so D3, and if we press enter, we should get a value in there. Okay, that's great, so 2.4 metres per second for the first 100 metres. And then just to save us entering the formula right the way down, we can do what we did before, which is basically just to click on it and drag it. And there we go, we have the velocity for each individual section of the race. Now the next thing that we want to do is to calculate the acceleration. So to do this, again, we need to recall the formula for acceleration, which is... Okay, so this particular time, then what we want to do is our final velocity, which in this case is our velocity at 100 metres, minus our initial velocity, which in this case is our velocity at 0 metres. And just because we want to calculate this before we divide it by time, we just need to put some brackets in there. Okay, and then our divide sign, and again we're looking at the time for that particular section, which is in cell D3. Okay, and if we press enter, there we go, there's our acceleration for that particular part of the race, and if we drag it down, it will calculate it right the way through the race, which is great. Okay,